In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Alexa notifications. If you're finding Alexa's notifications a bit too frequent or disruptive, this guide will help you customize or completely turn off those alerts. Whether it's notifications for deliveries, reminders, or other updates, you'll be able to manage them to suit your preferences. To get started, ensure you have your smartphone or tablet handy with the Alexa app installed and updated. Start by opening the Alexa app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in both the App Store and Google Play Store. Once the app is open, locate the three horizontal lines or the More button, typically found at the top left corner. This button serves as a gateway to access the app's various features. Next, tap on this icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu featuring various options. Glide your finger down this menu until you find the Settings option. Selecting Settings will allow you access to a wide array of customization choices designed to personalize the Alexa experience. After tapping on Settings, you'll see a variety of categories you can adjust. Today we're focusing on notifications, so go ahead and select this option. This section is where you can manage all alerts and modify how often or how intensely you want to be notified by Alexa. Once you've entered the notifications section, a list appears that includes different categories of notifications. This is where Alexa becomes truly customizable. You'll see different types such as reminders, Amazon shopping alerts, and many more. Depending on how you use Alexa, you can control notifications for each category specifically. For this demonstration, let's choose Amazon as the example category we intend to manage. Within this Amazon category, you'll now see specific notifications that correspond to things like orders, shipping alerts, and other updates related to your Amazon account. The idea is for you to have complete control over what comes through and what doesn't. You can tailor your experience based on what fits your lifestyle best. Once inside the chosen category, you will find switches or toggles next to each notification type. To turn off a notification, simply flip the switch to the off position. You'll notice that the app often provides a short explanation of what each notification covers, handy for making more informed choices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now enjoy a more peaceful environment without unwelcome chirps and alerts interrupting your day. Remember, you can always return to the settings and tweak your choices as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly tailored Alexa experience.